Here we go. The antivirus program, if you will. Why would I get yelled at? Now my dad told me I'm a bad person, and I freaking hate that. I am not a bad person. I will quit the antivirus program on my mental computer. You guys are doing me dirty. I don't say this something, and I know we gon' weather for this freaking thing. I know I'm a bullet strap. I'm a antivirus program on my mental computer, cause someone told me something I don't like. This is what I do, and I'm not a bad person. That's why I'm making these songs. Roll it out, hook. Put me on a hook. Down that hook. I wanna start the hook, cause I gotta see a hook. Yo. I tell me that's the best thing that I saw. It is okay to do this thing. Antivirus program that you get of me. I am not a bad person. I will program if you keep on saying I'm a bad person. Daddy gets mad all the time. I was just talking to him. Yeah. Daddy gets mad at me all of the time. I was just talking to him. I'm a antivirus program on my mental computer. This is what I do. What I say, I gotta be bad. Lord, I am not a bad person. He needs to stop saying that I'm a bad person. If he tells me that I'm a bad person one more time and he says I'm acting up, no, I'm not a bad person. And if you say I'm a bad person one more time, I will quit a virus program on my mental computer. If you tell me I'm a bad person, I will antivirus program on my mental computer. Go for the party. Jottles with this bill, I got to put it on the top with a Mia floating lot. Get upset, not throwing the lights. The antivirus program on my mental computer telling what to me. I don't promise that a suit, set a suit. Why I did not get a Chromebook extra fruit. The antivirus program on my mental computer. Think you're playing games.